The universe is not a safe place. Scattered across it are worlds and regions so hostile that the word dangerous doesn't come close. Places that would freeze you, cook you, crush you, or erase you before you understood what was happening. Tonight we're going to visit 7 of them, counting down to the single most terrifying place we've ever found. And the last one is so large, so dark, that your mind will refuse to picture it. Let's begin. Number 7, 63 light-years away hangs a beautiful, deep blue planet called HD 189733b. From a distance, it looks almost like Earth, that same calm cobalt color. But that blue is a lie. The color doesn't come from oceans, it comes from clouds of glass. This world rains molten glass. Sideways, carried on winds of 5,400 miles per hour, 7 times the speed of sound. Stand on it for a heartbeat and you'd be sandblasted into nothing by a storm of razor-sharp glass moving faster than a bullet. It's gorgeous, it's lethal, and it's the friendliest place on this list. Number 6. Now go somewhere hotter. On worlds like K2141b, one side faces its star forever, and the rock itself has melted into an ocean of magma miles deep. The temperature climbs past 2,000 degrees. It rains, but not water. It rains rock, molten droplets that fall back into a glowing sea, while supersonic winds scream across the surface at thousands of miles an hour. There is no land. No sky you'd recognize, just an endless burning ocean of liquid stone. And somehow, it gets worse from here. Number 5. From fire to the deepest cold there is. Empty space is already brutally cold, about minus 270 degrees. But the Boomerang Nebula is colder. At just 1 degree above absolute zero, it is the coldest known place in the entire universe. Colder than the faint afterglow of the Big Bang that fills everything else. It's a place where the very motion of atoms nearly stops. Where cold isn't just an absence of heat, it's a physical force that would flash freeze every molecule in your body before your nerves could even send the signal that you were dying. Number 4. Now imagine a world with no star at all. Drifting between the stars, in the absolute blackness between suns, are billions of rogue planets, worlds flung out of their solar systems, wandering the galaxy alone. On a rogue planet there is no sunrise, no day, no warmth, just an endless, silent night that has lasted billions of years and will never end. Stand on its surface and you would not be able to see your own hand. The nearest star would be a faint pinprick, unreachably far. This is what true isolation looks like. A place where you are more alone than any human has ever been. Number 3. Here's where it stops being about the cold or the dark and starts being about pure physical annihilation. A magnetar is the corpse of a dead star, a city-sized ball so dense a single spoonful would weigh billions of tons, wrapped in the most powerful magnetic field in the universe. Get within 1,000 kilometers and that field would not just kill you, it would dissolve you, tearing the atoms of your body apart, scrambling the very molecules you're made of. In 2004, one of these, SGR 1806, released more energy in 1/10 of a second than our sun gives off in 100,000 years. From 50,000 light-years away, it still hit Earth hard enough to disturb our atmosphere. A monster, whispering from across the galaxy. Number 2. Everything so far could kill your body. This one is designed to break your mind. It's called the Boötes void. a bubble of almost perfect emptiness, nearly 330 million light-years across. In a universe where galaxies cluster together in glowing webs, this region is simply empty. If the Milky Way were at its center, we would not have known other galaxies existed until the 1960s. Picture floating there. No stars near enough to see. In every direction, nothing. Just black. In all directions, forever. Some places are frightening because they can hurt you. The Boötes void is frightening because of how small and how alone it makes you feel. And number one, the most terrifying object we have ever found. It's called TON 618, and it is a black hole. But not like the ones you've heard of. TON 618 is an ultramassive black hole with the mass of 66 billion suns. Its edge, the point of no return, is so vast that light itself would take weeks to cross it. You could drop our entire solar system into it and never notice a ripple. It is not a place. It is an ending, a wound in reality so deep that everything, light, time, matter, that falls past its edge is gone forever, stretched into a single line and erased. It sits 18 billion light-years away, silently, having already swallowed the equivalent of entire galaxies, and it is still hungry. But here's the truly frightening thought. Every place we've visited tonight is somewhere far away. Something you could, in theory, avoid. The scariest possibility in physics isn't a place at all. It's called vacuum decay. If our universe is not as stable as it looks, a tiny bubble could form, anywhere, at any time, where the laws of physics rewrite themselves, expanding at the speed of light, unmaking everything it touches. You would never see it coming. There would be no warning, no pain, no time. The scariest place in the universe might be right here. We just wouldn't know it yet. The universe is beautiful, but it is not gentle, and it was never built for us. Between the glass storms and the lava seas, the frozen dark and the silent voids, and that final, hungry abyss, we live on a small, warm, impossibly lucky world. Maybe that's the real lesson of the scariest places in the universe. Not how terrifying they are, but how rare and how precious a safe one turns out to be. If this took you somewhere new, subscribe and don't look up too long. This is the deep field.